If you've applied spreadsheet good practice and you've made sure that your spreadsheet is consistent, there's a very useful tool which means you can make mass changes to a spreadsheet without having to go to each sheet. So for example, I've got these two sheets here. You'll see they're very similar, just some numbers change. This here is a old client. We need to change that, but we don't really want to go to every single sheet. So what I can do is I can click on the first sheet, go to the next sheet, hold my control button down and click on that sheet. What you'll notice is at the end here it says the word group, and this is a slightly white color. What now happens is that anything I do on one happens on all the others. So if I change this to company ABC, when I go look at the other one, it's become company ABC. So anything that happens on one, let's change this to yellow, happens on the other one. This works as well with formulas. So if you look at this formula here and we look at it, you can see it's looking at the wrong cell. If I go to the other sheet, you'll see that that one's got the exact same problem. If I correct this one, copy and paste it, when I go back here, you can see that that has been corrected as well. So if you have built with good practice, you've made sure that the columns are the same time periods, that the names are in the same place, this tool is available to you. You just must be very careful with this tool. It's the type of tool that you switch on, make changes, and then switch off again. To switch off, it's relatively easy. You can either click on another sheet or just right click on this and you can say ungroup sheets. If you want to group a lot of sheets at the same time, you can click on the first sheet, go to the last sheet, hold your shift key down, and when you click, you'll see they all get highlighted. But I cannot emphasize enough, you must switch it off as soon as you're finished. If you do forget, it will cause chaos with your spreadsheet.